I've already gone ahead and published our pages here in the structure tree by just checking the publish and menu boxes and clicking save. As you can see, the pages are no longer red here at the tree. For this tutorial, we're going to go to the team page where I've added some material already. I've made a nice little list of images aligned to the left with a description of each individual. You can also see there is a line between all of the descriptions I have here. That is a separator, and it is basically just a line that you can add to your content to make sure that they don't overlap. Let's see how this looks in the preview. When we scroll down the page, we see that the last team member is overlapping the content of the previous one. This is because both of these images are aligned to the left and there isn't a separator between them. If there was enough text in this rich text field here, this wouldn't happen, since the text would just push down the last team member's information downward and align it nicely. But sometimes we only have so much to write and still need to have our content flow beautifully. That is exactly the point where we can use the separator. If we can go back to the structure and add a separator, actually here, between the description and image of these two team members, it's going to force the content flow nicely and not overlap this one. Let's check if that problem has been fixed. Nice. Now we might just want to add the avatars to the top of the page without any descriptions. There's a quick way to do that, called the image group feature. We're going to use that by going back to the structure and clicking the green plus icon here, choosing image group. SOLU shows you the group tree from our media library. Now I know that I've added the team avatars to my team group here, so I'm just going to select that one. Let's check this out in a preview. SOLU automatically creates a gallery of all the images in that specific group. Hey, it seems that there's one person missing. Where's Juhani? Let's go back to the structure. Double click Juhani's avatar. Click view in the media library. And just add him to the right group. I'm gonna also leave his avatar in the About Us group for later reference. Click save. Let's check this out in a preview. We see that SOLU automatically added him to the gallery view. Adding file groups is a similar process, but instead of using all the images in one group, SOLU will only show the files in that one group. I'm going to go back to the structure and delete this image group here. We don't need it anymore. To add a file group, we are going to go to the sidebar, right sidebar position. So I'll click on the right sidebar over the template map, add a heading, and I'm going to use the subheading because this is the lowest in the information hierarchy. Like so. And then just click a file group from the tool panel. Remember our previous tutorial? We had all our files there added to the About Us group. So I'll just choose that one. Switch into the preview mode again. As we can see, SOLU did a couple of things. As we added content to the right sidebar, SOLU automatically made the center column narrower to give it enough space. It also added all the files that were in that About Us group in the media library. Now remember that we left Juhani's avatar image in that group as well. But as you can see, SOLU only shows all the files in that group and none of the images. That way it doesn't matter if you have many different file types in the same groups, since SOLU knows how to separate the information. That's it. All we have left is the search engine optimization of our pages. That's the subject of our next tutorial.